You are going to love the 2016 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.